ye na na oti kokoso esoso se ne dehie no tieni na ye besere nana dia adri dia agise obem na tubofo na otwe afani mienu nyina atenase se eye me dehie ho asem na aba mu afani mienu obi ama ye ntenase ye hwehwe ensemu
Entenga nim Daddy Lumba eye no ho nsensem ene ne hyehyeye akwakoduru court ama asem obi a etwene sere ne abasa ebisi wotim odobroni ebisi wotim akoya se wonja ama asem no ye hu no puma sibre na wusia Michael Ola etwetwe yewura aba asem no Michael Ola kire mu se osere na otumfuo na won kwanso osere openso emra sem no mu na onfa yie emetuye me ma on kire mu no akire wadwen ama me ewo comment section I Penyah block media me so say any demo obe like video no other my boss subscribe button so na click notification icon for latest update time better the wadwen the ama me ewo comment section me so baso no ahye for so anya bi ahwe etenyo nim Daddy Lumba ewo achi ensensemo ACCA efa na ye no ho hyehyeye no just say ye twe ho daawre ni nyina de obedi kunani arobedi kunani nyina eye japade e braga kan Lumba be bonus asase so awagya hokɔ no eno ho manso ene se nipa ni bi etwe aye odobroni ene madoma koja sewa hwan ene ebedi kuna ama asem no kwan akwakɔ pie mu ewo kweta se ye kɔ ne back and forth na hwe media ne so a emu achemie no ye wotim odobroni ene wotim akoja sewa ba ye ni tim Lumba ye need Team Lumba how mo protecting the integrity of Daddy Lumba ye need ebi ohonomo na this issue no anabusia on United Showbiz on UTV in their discussion na ehono Michael Ola ekasaye na naziga ekasaye MCI bo ekasaye ana anodedu ekasaye na conversation no MCI bo ene satie also last week MCI bo be kasaye no odi kakasa this issue no ho no obe fire madam akuta sewa ene ne camp Emma media na attack eba na so etran kan pa bi nim se enro ano de enu achi no anka em say ebo ba fire back other critics but it is so interesting to see say oba ye no she was so calm and we chim oh that Lumba nsensem no how as a media no say buburuja na ade no obi anto ne bu ase na yemfa yie entu ye say she was so humbled
Empress ade ba kwa say ya abane say asema esi no emma mienu ye mami Penny akosia sewa any odobroni say no oma baba ye ebusua ye pew yempew by virtue of the fact that they share children with the same father no oma baba ye ebusua ne sa ena sebio obi nim dachi asem obi nim ochine bi enti no senka wo mo betumi abafie na sa asem no oma ka no ma pepani bi a or ye capable or what that capacity or ye neutral obetumi any woman tenase ebusua afafani ni na woman tenase no metumi aka woman sem no ama omenya some sort of resolution be before the 28th na ankebeboa because afafa enkomo a ekọ de ekọ ni kasa na ekọ so no for me I feel say entwa ye because here anano yawada ensema ekoso ewo court hoyi yehu excepts of videos bi a etweguye sebio I dare say emra na Daddy Lumba tiase nobody dared to call any of these women whether Mama Kosia whether odobroni to publicly call them names. Nobody dared. I don't know of any me who be it. But yeshani course so a year yawada ye train we are. We saw videos of people suggesting crowd obi can see ni pise sebi previous sound sebi oyiri kuma eye odobroni no ma ni kuna drubone and odikunu. And me busa me who say how did we get here as people? Sebio yebe jina bedwem na asema yebe ka yedi be gu obi hu fi especially when they are going through this ordeal whether we like it or not afafani na wa fashion whether we like it or not the mental sanity of a man na is at stake. It's at stake because ye koba Empress Sebio what witnessing what this kind of disputes can do to families, can do to children, can do to wives. I don't think sesan common na ekoso no. Ye be fuele na obi kana media me wafa we na I think say yen should be ye na say ebeya say whether a traditional leader be say whether you sofu peni bi say whether a abemu mpanimfuo bi and e bi a omo betumi because if my memory serves me right and e bi ana metia obi incorrect me kai say lawyer ni pio kan bi say judge na hye say omo pepeni bi omo ntena omo mu na omo nka asem no na enwie peyo enti say whether traditional leader political leader whoever it is obetumi abemu aka asem na ma asumdua ba I think say it's for the greater good. And the truth of the matter is that mama kosia onte ne ho ase a wako court or wako siki address no it's her right. You can't take that from her. Odo broni so e bia enema bi wo ha onte ne ho ase nti ono so no odi afa ba ko ekokot ono so again right. And you can't really take that from her. But if they sit down as people, nasa no bye mu ni e beka we ni na awie nasa still omo nte omo ho ase dia and they feel say court run a bit to me and I think it's up to them. But secondly, one thing I person make kan wasem kakra say asemi ba ye enkomo bebre e na akoso and we na me wo peace fm na me tire mu say eye lawyer William nin sem bia ya okeka no I feel say anu adin kakra message obeto nebo because oye lawyer asem yedi amani say wo onkodi asem no enti say ebia wo piefi court sa na wo ba begina ho e calling names I think say it's wrong because enye den as say no wa ba be ye obi asem eye mama kosuade akọ eye law wo na say wo da no eno an say no pa no ye wo na udi kan frɛ ono because wo feel so your authority on the issue obetumi ama all the information na wo hia enti so no oda asem na no na sebio or calling names sana Emma omo wo akire no so no Emma omo said there's absolutely nothing wrong for me to stand in public and be name calling people me ba chọ dia make note mase and let me tell lawyer Openi Collins so kasa ye no ase ono so kasa ya kasa lawyer Williams kasa ase ojabe ni ade be na so Collins ayebi for obi a wo gina ya wo che se wo pasumdwe no I think say sa jabe ni ye de jabe ye ho no ye ntwa so na sa asem no ye nka ye focus on asem say if it's the courts that they feel will give them what they want and they want to go on that tangent they should stick to what they are arguing on and stop the unnecessary jabs because obeka me de no an kan ya mesuminya mesumeka ne dia enya wode it's if they have to resort to a traditional leader I think say me that's what I believe said they should do but if they feel they still want to go to the courts
attack the media leso twa try na chino kakra kona dia say ADMC ebu humble herself na oka we ya ana anodbe do ebe expressing the frustration o tirem say oh said the asset madam ko ya say why no do bronins e courtings and sem eye ne dey in fact Daddy Lumba the legacy ana omu gu na nimu ase
that's no although nyina agitum say no a musical god when it comes to the songwriting skill the level of intellect his ability to bring real life situations into songs unmatched. A month ago say minyanko for 5 na me be someone can be mention about Lumba a year positives in kwana met Miss Lumba say but enne say me for the same 5 people na be some more about Lumba Empress 3 beka negative either so a abuser either so a manipulator either so a narcissist. One very confused because the AC in the last couple of weeks how be position Lumba in terms of the legendary status and I say the legacy. Baku maybe say Baku would be stubborn and say Lumba they are still now in musical court. What I'm trying to tell you is say the ACC is sitting in a deputy in a legacy.
Yes.
No, seriously. Because CA, I don't know if you've seen, because of stories that appear no. A man for say or ye abuser, true or false, I won't say yeah.
Also a
Pedophile, or ye narcissist, or ye manipulator, or ye opportunist. A month ago, hardly would anybody say that to Lumba's face, dead or alive. So you see how
ne ye and as bibi obey ye we ase no although you can separate the musical way from the lifestyle affect it the description which is very unfortunate, very very unfortunate. And me too, I will support everybody who says you blame Kakanoso or the predominant blame Emma Lumba, because I mean he is a causative agent. And see, we should be bold enough while we praise him for all the good things he's done. Also let him know, say, you could have done better.
How will you let me know?
But we have saying it. Yes, I mean, is that so? Are we not learning from this experience? So for said we should learn from the experience. And so we need to let it be known that he could have done better. Empress, court said by 28th October, busuafo no enkoka wasem. Now the mandate no ewo ebusuapanyin nsem.
Now,
of course, because ono ebusuapanyin. So under normal circumstances, say if, because I heard say people were advocating say Otumfuo and all that stuff, but the busuapanyin is the head of the family. Until the onus lies on him to fix it. The essay man ebusuapanyin no, with all due respect, he is not the star. The Oya star no, the biggest star no, the two most important elements of more case we mun mami no. Ebusuapanyin no enye star wa dey mu. It's enya fe no ba beje ne shine.
That was a star boy.
No, or wasu die kese. Because asemi ko be nyina no, and last week we tried to give us the chronicle of the or instigated the ekoso nyina. It is responsibility to fix it. This is not the time interviews left, right, and center. Expect no. He is not the person no. All fix a problem. No.
idea was so yes.
Simple. Now, we say court. Say if you court. Say if you court. Empress. Asemi ko be nyina ye ni bi ade certificate. Ye nyina ye peni papa mu ye. Lawyer akasama so mo court na ase. Na extra has to go to court. No, that's what it should supposed to be, because ye nyina ye peni papa. But for somebody to say well, no, you are not a legitimate wife. You are not classified to be a wife. You can't do konadia. Now me Jimmy who say I have every right to actually assume that position. What should I do? Now you're tenacity, yeah, discourse, yeah, deliberations. Now still now be said no, you are not supposed to do that. What do you think I should do? Simple. So in as much as we are praying, say they will be settled out of court. So if any party, if we say the only place I saw resorted to know is your court. Until yes, we are praying for peace, but let's also not discourage somebody willingness or desire to go for redress in court. They had drink a crap a year. The incessant press releases are APP, because you see, years ago, I didn't know who Lumba's sister. You will be bringing at some point, until time obey you minimum, I didn't know who Akusa Sewa was. You only get to know Omo Ben on Vanny songs. But in the last couple of weeks, the first born, third born, who said or Canada.
And in prayer now.
In Mayana met it. But some years ago and some months ago, the closest, of course, the closest I could get, to knowing Lumba new relations, no, were through her songs. But here we are. Oh, almost everybody from we was paying to. I know I knew Sewabro Akusa Sewane brother.
Yes, Dr. Penyah. Penyah did about Dr. Penyah no cry.
Teacher no cry.
Teacher no put the song on one or no Akasa no UP and all that. But in the last couple of weeks, it's like the life has been an open book for all of us. And that is what the man didn't even want in the first place.
Omo good Daddy Lumba lumu ase. Na oni baby, it's so interesting to see say as a obia interest ewo odobroni ene madam akoso ase wa de obe kunani hwana Lumba ene ne wale hwana Lumba ni kunu hwana eye Lumba eyere a was a kudi kunani but as obia yinani ama Daddy Lumba nankase na wawuo no eden ne kun no eno anana from ponziga na obusa question say I was saying ni eko near investigation Daddy Lumba ni wono wu ade be ade de kun no we shouldn't be interested in dobedi kunani na mom Lumba na wawu no ase yemfa ne ho I was saying ni ko hono na ti ko investigation eko hwemu ade be ade ko ne kun Daddy Lumba I was saying no hia ye
tan say ye be hwe Daddy Lumba wo and let's be oh yes ese se hwehwem sebi preduasa even your man Penyah or share no kwakwa President Mills still people are calling say yehwehwe adeku. We need to know what killed that Lumba.
But what do you do?
No, or your superstar tie Michael Jackson William Conrad Murray oh yeah anesthetic before buy near say obi na hye da ku but later the PA say papa na nhyeda ebro no ode man no wan hyeda tie you and a man is overdose and a man fast well oduwie Jamaica na what say. So we need to know what killed that Lumba. So that should be make history be the actual member be say papa be so and you feel so only the greatest of all time when it comes to music, secular music in the country. Are already for over 40 years. And I said almost 40 years. I hit back to back. Or share nonkwa. I'll be able to tell them that this is the reason why that Lumba died. Because I know what killed Bob Marley. I know what killed Michael Jackson. Jamaica what I say. I know what killed Fela. It is who the 7 previous say could that Lumba. You are beba to be rude. See a question wa share no for. But omo experts. Any now follow mo anom ko mo say I call for no wa share. They suspected something wrong somewhere. Support ni ndo mana na ya cheche no kono Frank Mensa Pozo onwo na daf wa ka nipo obu kokoyin that was Santo Muni na aka obi people as it is only in this country that you kwana 7 previousa obi asha no wa konfo a ni ato docket na to atwe you don't follow. We need to know what killed that Lumba. I'm telling you, Lumba is a musical god. Lumba is a religion. Lumba wa pa superstar, wa pa megastar, wa pastor or your religion, your worshiping. I'm telling you. So we need to know. Eti obo me ehunu ade asem imprediasa. Eku Daddy Lumba. Yes, MRI. You didn't shame no. Was so shame. Say no cre, say no cre. We don't know. We need to know.
Now where MRI was be muda.
Dem me she be muda.
Me ma she be muda. Scary.
Good. Eti yesi ade na ko Saturday no. Ebisi oso onko. Ebisi oso obeko ebisi enya no cre ebisi. And we need to know.
Say you no
we need to write a book about Daddy Lumba.
About MRI no so.
Nini na aka wo bi.
Unji Indiana.
Oh, tie de beka no. Eye nabusiafo and they say they want to know what actually killed Daddy Lumba. Yes. And I said that yes.
We support it.
Me supported that idea. That is why I have given you a background. Of Nkophobia said the Omasho Omonkwa. Dr. B. Kokoto, madam, please. Dr. B. Kokoto and fuel. Ewo Dansoma. Fuel station go Dansoma. Eti or drive you. Or call bears 100 meters. And a car be better ramen. Car be the farms. Eti ye no more driver. It's a new CCTV. Just a dog class in Dansoma. Okay, no problem. But it did happen. Ewakra CCTV cameras. Later no who say doctor no ya redu on so misa akoma be na sebi eku owura PV wo be no a wuda ni stia so eti oheli sa de na aba fuel na aba e na wa wolu na yi no eti ade ne ba one time eti according to report they say owuda stia no say so he was rather
stia kan na eko ene de ko share ina say ne tanka ne de be rame de make our say so we need to establish that we need to
for the sake of history.
History.
Yes. We need to know.
Na omu sorry swono ana Michael Ola ebe kasaye. Na Michael Ola nkasemo no ero kirem say said ade no esia be ya beda ne atwetan a ye kɔ ne back and forth ndie enko be sere kotoko hene open so na won kwaso pia YouTube osre ezenka nana entru na ensi asem no so na nke enyi asem no kura free court na ono ankasa ehwe ensiesi asem no fa yie entu no gidi se nana se tu edi ye etu ya ebeboa ama basabasa ne mentuma se a ekosu nyina no eto ebebrase
ami se wa hwehwe ani se last week we can say o pese ye ka court ka say wey wo ware no ye ngu no etu wo ye yire full stop o ye yire anase court gas say wa da bi ye nya adanse die bi wo registry bi say o ja be ma no wo mra kwa so full stop na no wato na aben so be boa ma Priscilla Broni esebe say oh na me so me ne papa ne ya wa rearrangement bi ya no susu nie court mo hwe mai oh ampa mo so mo de ne ye correct entu susu ye ayire we have some kese but enam say eye busuasem na eye obrempon bi wasem na maami tu ye fo say ebe ya ka mo kan ofie mi enhwe ebe ya ka mo tie de nipa bi ni mo kan ye kan ofie nsem ye betimi aka ofie am na to etinka mo kan ofie ne ebe da kan ofie e fa ba ko gina de yi sekan na ba go so gina jan eti ye den ko kan ofie ade se konya entem gina fo ho ane be entem gina fo se Lumba efie ohene wo ho ye na otikoko so esoso se ne dehie no tieni na ye besere nana dia dri dia giso bem na tubofo no twe afane mienu nyina tenase se eye me dehie ho asem na aba mu afane mienu obi ama ye tenase ye hwehwe ensemu nwana ne de de nwana ne de nye de na ye hwe kwan be fa so e de beto na etu nkotwe ne eto abusa panyini timi nye sade we because we di kan sebi papa wani mu a we di kan hu fin kakra etino agise ye pe a neutral person na we no so timi ma lawyer for ne nye ema ye so sound as if say mami akosia se wan kwa na akofa lawyer o odobroni so se on so e de no response ko sa na abusa panyin so de ko nti obi a wo lawyer eti say ye twe asem ne tan a lawyer bo nyina na edidi enya akosia se wa lawyer ko ati say the honorable Collins Ekano. There be. A lawyer for you na edidi. Yes, your time na mu waste. Etinonka media at the said I'm there to you nana. Otumfuo Otumfuo. So adaruma.
What is here na amaye muso.
Nana ho de hye. Final sifom. Na enim de otimi ye. Oh nana timi ye bebre. Baby a ahemfo ntokwa gidigidi obe settle bibia. Nana o de hye. Final sifom. Na kan sana 28 ni beba no na ka etimi nya asem ne fapem say ya tena asem so because say ohini kredi ahin fie sema ye mfa nkokot because emrane masa akwan no it is an anatomy din na sima asem within 2 weeks we should resolve this thing before we go to court na sabi wo mo pese mo digidin no omo niwu na omo so omo enya bi adwuma ye bi mo nya adwuma ye obi wo eni ye de nya adwuma na obi etimi go TikTok asem se me go TikTok so
anya ese me bia
because oboni yaw if you want to sensationalize ade ni na
what do we stand to gain if I metna ha na so me ya support akusia se
e team no na e problem
na ano se me support odobru dey na be there for me kwa ku dey na me there ya warefo omo me sabi Lumba when nyina bontin bedwamu several times am fa odobru ni achese na yire
e mo de kire
wan say nyina bedwamu anka se na yire ni akosia se wa eti wono na obato say Odobroni.
It's a platform bang.
Video no.
And there's another video where he was granting an interview and now all case me
This one
No, I have the videos here if I can forward it for them to play them out. Because one he was in white, which was the last one, and the other one no black locks in. Na Odobroni sin nchen omo ofena no ofena fun okraka ho ye na no okase odofo pa no de nwum we na de ehwa wa so odofo pa man
so be kase on platform be so
I've watched the video. He was in black for the Odobroni there no and no to odofo pa mantem no to ma Odobroni and now he was
AI
Debbie and now he was AI and now the last one he did come on Mantiago Siano. That was to debunk that issue of poison. If you know that issue was even reported in Antiago Siano letter. No Casa no Lumba mum ne dinam Casa. But he took a long time. But at the end of the day, Obe clear no. O Seneira wa worry no. Yes. One Casa Neira ma worry no jam.
Letter ni ready.
Of course. So or send him a Lumba send him my omuko if in adakem. And I will hear letter now. O hear letter no be phone shadow that so obi phone no dey twa no ase my also
yeah sure bit me hu
I just who phone shape because a shadow na that so all these things why look yesu ade film no yes san kai say nipa na ye di ne ho fel no sabi oye nipa kese onte se kwaku oye nipa kese wo ebrempon e kanya asem ne si Daddy Lumba ye ohene yeah, yes. Bibi ne siye. Etini yenya abutre. Yenya abutre na yentu yebo. Na yanhwe ya the way si kansem no. E bia ma no min sabi o sofo e ma na nadwe o moda no wan da o nchen. Asem eti adwen ben na ekoso o mutim. O ma hwere ade kese. Odobroni sua. Eti munim all this sema ye can do know how much it is tormenting her. Munim the mental faculty how she's struggling. Si an hye ye be kan se ni nyanya na akira nko ye to me pacho me ba o me okira ete ho ese Odobroni na me am hwe ya na yare akobon because she can't take the pressure e bia na de boni bia ko e be ye fe anase bia na anti akosia na pressure ina no so etimi afa is that what we want dini be nya free mu itimi na mesre na me kan.
So when in semo amaki ola e wo kan suggestions or dia ba independent be at chiro madwen e wo ho wo suppose a chire wadwen ama me e wo comment section Penyah Block Media Accra.